Okay, so the next one is very similar to the exterior angles of a cyclic quad. But sorry, opposite angle. This one is called, yeah, the exterior angle of a cyclic quad. Now there is an important difference, and that is, okay, so obviously this changes to exterior. Now the only difference here in the wording is instead of writing angles, you must write angle. Okay. So you don't write angles, just write angle. Okay.
Okay.
Subtle difference comes from the fact that we're actually just looking at the exterior angle.
Okay.
So if I draw it, it's going to look like this is extended here. So I'll call this B1 and B2. And we'll call this yeah, that's fine. I'll actually do the C1 and C2. Okay, so in this case here, we'll highlight this exterior angle, AB2, and that'll be equal to the opposite interior angle, C1. Okay, so we will say B2 equals C1 exterior angle of a cyclic quad. Yeah, that's perfect. Exactly how the guidelines have it. Okay, so another one on this would be B1. So if that's the interior angle, that's going to be equal to C2, because C2 is the exterior angle. So I could see that C2 equals B1. Same reason, exterior angle of a cyclic quad. Okay, now here's what's interesting. Just because these are so, this one is so tightly linked to the interior angles being supplementary. Because do we notice that this line here, this is a straight line. Let me call this F. So we see that ABF is a straight line.
Yeah.
And so B1 plus B2 must be equal to 180 because of angles on a straight line.
All right. Okay.
And so same with this, right? We call this G. ACG is equal to 180 degrees. You know, that's also the C1 plus C2 is equal to 180 because of the angles on the straight line. So we see yellow and red, yellow equals yellow, red equals red. And so, yes, now we can see, oh yeah, B1 and C1 add up to 180 because we know yellow and red add up to 180. And that goes back to our opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary, add up to 180. Okay, so let's just look at the shape we're looking for. So with this theorem, we are looking for a cyclic quad. And we're looking for that sort of situation here, where you have an exterior angle. So you have a line coming out, and then that's going to be equal to this one here. Okay, so that's the shape we're looking for. All right, so those are your 5 Euclidean geometry.
Okay.
in which you have to know according to the guidelines. Do you remember looking at